Well, today's event was looked like it was pretty much unplanned by Microsoft, as everything kind of being thrown together last minute with the Windows 11 launch event. And what I mean by that is on the official stream, it went ahead and froze multiple times. It was stable on Facebook, which was nice, but it makes you think, why didn't they just outsource it to Apple to release it? Because at least we know their live streams are stable. Now, shortly after the event finished, Microsoft went ahead and updated their site. The link is down in the description below. You can check that out. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what that is here. If you come on over to the Windows 11 launch site, you can see all the nifty features about it. And also, if you just click on the top here, it just reloads the animation, which is kind of cool. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at their little video here. Oh, that looks cool. But will it be part of the OS looking at? That is the question. Background will be animated. Now that's pretty cool. You'll be able to install and run Android apps directly from the Microsoft Store on your PC. It looks like that Microsoft is trying to react to how Apple, now with their M1 using a ARM-based processor, is able to install both Mac applications as well as iOS-based applications. Although not all iOS applications will run on it, I'm not quite sure how they determine what will and won't be able to be downloaded from the App Store. I'm curious if Microsoft is going to do the same thing where they prefer certain apps over others, or if they'll just straight up let you just load like any Android app. So if we go ahead and scroll on down here, one thing that stands out to me that I think is a game changer is the snap layouts. Now, if you have a ultra wide screen monitor, then there's a good chance that you might have the ability to install a third-party piece of software like Dell has to be able to customize this. But if you just have a regular monitor, then you're kind of out of luck, at least as far as I know. There might be a third-party tool out there that can do the same thing, but Microsoft building this in as a native feature into Windows 11 is definitely pretty cool. Now, of course, Microsoft Teams is just automatically getting installed on PCs anyway, so people are getting more used to this. I feel like they're trying to compete with Apple, where both the Desktop and mobile operating systems will be natively integrated to make communications a more seamless process across multiple devices. And of course, they're going to be pushing Microsoft Edge. Again, really don't know too many people that actually use it, but maybe with Windows 11 that could change. And of course, the Xbox Game Pass and all that getting baked in and trying to just unify their ecosystem between PC and Xbox. And just scrolling on down some more. It looks like they do have some Windows 10 PCs that you can upgrade for free when Windows 11 rolls out, and they got some links on here. Now, one thing that I found that's interesting here is that if we go ahead and click the sign up link right here, then this just looks like a standard landing page. Like Microsoft didn't actually expect to put together the original Windows 11 landing page here. So what's up with that? Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Windows 11 isn't here yet, it'll be coming later this year. If you're excited, there's some things you can do in the meantime to get ready. So there's a check for compatibility, which I went ahead and downloaded, and we will go ahead and run that in just a sec. One thing I do want to point out here is that if you end up purchasing Windows 11 Home, you have to have a Microsoft account and internet connectivity. Now, I am curious to see if you can still just cancel out of it and force a local account like you can in Windows 10, but I suspect since Microsoft actually has this as a requirement directly on their website, that if you go ahead and buy a brand new computer, say from like Best Buy or something, then you won't be able to actually set it up with a local account. You have to have the internet, unless you purchase a machine that has Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to go ahead and run the Windows 11 health check compatibility tool here, and let's see how it runs on this machine. Of course, they want to push me in the direction of logging in with a live ID right here. And let's just go ahead and click check now. This PC doesn't meet the system requirements to run Windows 11. You'll keep getting Windows 10 updates. That's weird. So this is actually pretty funny. Microsoft says that this computer cannot run Windows 11. And I have a Ryzen 9 5950X with 16 cores and 32 threads. I also have 64 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe Gen 4 PCIe SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce 3070 Ti. So I wonder what the minimum requirements will actually be to run Windows 11. According to the website, it's only a 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores and 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs or larger storage device. My Windows is installed using UEFI and Secure Boot. So if anybody has any ideas on why it got this message, please go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. And I'll also go ahead and update in the next month or so and see whether or not a updated compatibility checker might actually resolve the issue. Again, I think that Microsoft is reacting to the leak and not actually planning on releasing Windows 11 as early as they will have to be now that they're in the spotlight. Now, in an upcoming video, I purchased a desktop off of Craigslist that came preloaded with Windows 11. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, and I'll catch you in the next one.